Welcome to Science Hub. Today, we're exploring the captivating story of the Moon and its ever-changing dance with Earth. Our Moon, the celestial body that lights up our night sky, wasn't always where it is today. Billions of years ago, a colossal collision between a young Earth and a planet-sized body flung debris into space, eventually forming our Moon. Back then, the Moon was astonishingly close, just about 20,000 kilometers away, appearing much larger than it does now. The gravitational interactions between Earth and Moon were intense in those early days, creating powerful tidal forces. These forces not only distorted the Moon's shape into something more egg-like but also gradually slowed its rotation. Over time, these tidal forces have been causing the Moon to drift away, moving approximately 4 centimeters farther from us each year. If this process continues, the Moon will eventually settle into a stable orbit where we see only one side of it permanently. However, rising solar temperatures present another twist in this tale. As the Sun ages and heats up, it will eventually cause Earth's oceans to boil away, diminishing the tidal effects that slow Earth's rotation and push the Moon away. In about a billion years, the Sun will transform into a red giant, potentially swallowing Earth and Moon, or at the very least, disrupting their current orbits. Even if the Moon survives this fiery phase, the Sun's eventual transition to a white dwarf will lessen its gravitational pull, potentially destabilizing the Moon's orbit further. Despite these dramatic future possibilities, the Moon remains a crucial part of Earth's natural balance. Its gravitational pull continues to influence our tides and stabilize Earth's rotation. So while the Moon's future may be uncertain, its role in Earth's story is undeniable. If you're fascinated by the intricate dance of celestial bodies, make sure to subscribe for more intriguing science content.